you see it? Look, you see the broccoli? You see it? Oh, a little baby broccoli. Aww. Hey, look right here, Joanna. Does it feel weird? Hey y'all, welcome back. I am out here today. I'm just checking on stuff because we had a rare storm that came through. I am out here checking on the broccoli because we are supposed to have really low temperatures this week. It's supposed to get down to 16 degrees, and my plants, I don't think, can tolerate that. I don't think broccoli and cabbage can tolerate under, I believe, 28 or 24 degrees. So I'm having to make a tough decision on whether to go ahead and harvest some of the broccoli and even the cauliflower, but the cauliflower definitely is not ready, and neither is the cabbage. So I am torn and not really sure what to do. If there is something that I can do and you have any advice on saving plants whenever it's that cold, let me know, because I really do not want to harvest it early because it's just not time and they're not big enough, except for a couple of the broccolis. I could go ahead and harvest those. Some of these are a decent size, and that cauliflower, it's pretty decent, but it's just still not ready. This one, compared to my hand, you can see, and the closer we get to where the more sunlight is, the bigger they are. So this one is as big as my hand. What I have done is I ordered off of Amazon some row covers, and I can put a picture of what kind I got. I ordered 2 sets of them, and I believe there's 35 pieces in each, so I think that would be enough to cover the broccoli, the cauliflower, and the cabbage. And on top of those hoops, I was gonna put either plastic and a sheet on top of that, or vice versa, a sheet and then some plastic to keep some heat in and the wind off of them, to try to keep them warm. And then on Facebook, in a group that I'm part of, some people even mentioned stringing Christmas lights through the plants without the Christmas lights actually touching the plant, and those bulbs would heat it up enough up under that row cover that the freeze would not affect them at all. So that is what I may do. I'm not sure. I've never had to deal with this before because it very rarely gets that cold here. So I believe it is Monday and Tuesday night that it's going to get to 16, 17 degrees, but I'm not sure how long that freeze is going to be. So if you have any advice on that, I am in now zone 9. It used to be 8B, but it recently changed to zone 9. So let me know what you think, what you would do, and if you've ever experienced a Arctic blast is what they're calling it. If you've ever experienced that and your plants were not ready, what did you do? Did you harvest early, or was there something that worked for you? I would love to know. And should I go ahead and harvest some of the broccoli? I'm not sure. If I do, that will be tomorrow. And of course, I will show y'all if I do that, because I've never harvested broccoli. With that rare storm that we had 3 tornado warnings, and there was so much water in the garden that I came out here at one point and saw where the collard leaves have broken. So I did have to harvest some of those leaves that just broke clean off. The wind was so strong that the leaves were just snapped off. And it was so muddy out here that I stepped through here and my boot sunk all the way to my ankle. But here we have it. A look at the garden. Here's a look just in case if this freeze does get everything, this would be the last look, but hopefully we are able to save it. So I just wanted to give y'all a update, a weekend update. I normally try to post a video on Saturday or Sunday, so I know this is a short one, but I would love to know what you would do in the comments, and any advice would be greatly appreciated. So as always, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all. What do you have? Oh, look, Joanna. Look. Ooh. Be careful. Okay.
Okay, I got all that on video.
Okay. I can't. I can't do it with you out here. Okay. Why are you? Steven. Hey y'all, welcome back. Hey y'all, welcome back. So I'm out here just checking. Steven.